Today we will take the question answer of chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. Yeah, now we take the question answer of chapter number 2, that is nutrition. Now first of all we will take a short answer question, then we will take a multiple choice and objective type questions. So first question is define digestion. So definition of digestion is given in the book itself. Yeah. Yeah, it is the process of breaking down complex food into simpler substance, and digestion start from the mouth, continue in the stomach and small intestine, they where maximum activity of digestion take place, and the large intestine water get absorbed and minerals and vitamins are get absorbed. So definition is only of two lines. Next question is how does an amoeba ingest its food? How does an amoeba ingest its food? Ingest means how intake of food is done by the amoeba. So amoeba ingests its food by using pseudophodia to engulf. Pseudophodia is basically finger-like structure which amoeba makes to ingest its food, and it engulfs the food and take it inside its body. Question number 3 is how is food prevented from going into the windpipe while swallowing? Actually, windpipe and food pipe are joined together in the neck, and there is a one flap which is called epiglottis, epiglottis, which get closed down when we eat the foods. So this flap provide work as a cover, and it's close the windpipe and food go directly into the food pipe. What are the function of saliva? Saliva is a digestive juice which help to digest carbohydrate. It also moisten the food, and which is makes easier for swallowing. Now question number 5 is what is peristaltitis? Peristaltitis. It swallows the swallowed food travels to the stomach because of wave-like motion of the walls of the oesophagus, that is food pipe, and this motion is called peristalsis. Now next question is question number 6. What do the walls of the stomach secrete? Secrete means what are the fluids which stomach secrete? The wall of the stomach secrete digestive juices, acid and mucus. Now question number 7 is what is the function of the mucus in the stomach? The mucus basically protect the walls of the stomach because there are chances that digestive fluids, digestive juices may digest the walls itself. So it makes a mucus makes a protective layer on the walls of the stomach to stop it from getting digested by the digestive juices. Now, what are the villi? Villi is basically projections in the small intestines which absorb the food and give it from which food particles enter into the bloodstream. And our next question is how is the digested food transported within the body? The digested food enters the body in the small intestine. This carried throughout the body through the bloodstream. So basically, it is a blood which carry the food item into the different cells, and there the it is converted into energy after coming into contact with the oxygen. What are the four stomach in the kettle? Four stomach kettle are rumen, then reticulum, omasum, and abmomasum. These are the four stomach of the kettle. Now coming to the multiple choice questions. First question is which of these feed on dead animals and plants? We all know it is the scavengers. The process of taking food. Question number 2. Process of taking food into the body is known as ingestion. It is a process of taking food into the body is known as ingestion. By mistake here, ingestion. Now, which of these organs are accessory accessory organs are which are not main part of the digestive system but they help in digestion? These are liver and pancreas. The process of chewing food is known as mastication, and these teeth are used for grinding food. We know these are molar and premolars. The innermost part of tooth is, it is called pulp. Now, question number 7: which of these statements is true about the permanent set of teeth of humans? So, one, it contains 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. There are 4 incisors in each jaw. So, 1 and 2 is correct. Now, question number 8: which of these statements is true about the tongue? So, one, it rolls the food into the bowls and it mixes saliva within the food. Which part of the alimentary canal is not involved in digestion? We know food pipe, esophagus is not involved in digestion. All other intestine food digestion take place in stomach and mouth also digestion take place. In how many stomach do grass-eating animals such as cattle and goats have? It is the 4. Now objective type question, fill in the blank. The salivary glands, pancreas and the liver are the accessories organs that we already read into the chapter secret digestive juices. The stomach churns food into digestive juices to change into the semi-solid material called